Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are making we are on new bike. It's not my bike, it's my friend's bike. It's a 2018 CBR 1000RR, and I love the TSV screen, man. It's fucking amazing. All the information is on the dash. So welcome to first ride video, I will say, technically. So what's the difference, what I like about, what I dislike about this is my personal opinion. It's not the bike thing, like other people say something else, but for me this is like my personal opinion, like I'm saying. So I love the DSP screen. It has all the information, power, traction, engine braking, and then coolant temperature, RPM, gear, what do you call the gear? I forgot the name. Sorry. The gear indicator, RPM, and the shift light is up. So all the information is there. So this is the standard edition, not the. It comes with the auto flipper too. Feels so good, man. The bike feels light, but it's not actually light. The handlebar is much closer. It's a relaxed position. I'm not too far down. I'm not like this, but I'm very relaxed. The seat is very comfortable, and the quick shifter is okay. Not that great, not that bad. It's stick time. See here, I'm going to shift it. It's just stick. It's just like a, what do you call? It's like a bug. It stays for 2-3 seconds and then you go front and back. It's like a jerk, you will say, technically. And even if you're downshifting, see, same. I'm getting the jerk. I'm going forward and then back. So that's disregard about the quick shifter. But the overall, I love it, man. I like the bike. It's lower 1 inch from the front, and the rear is okay because the owner wants it, so the front will not come up easily. And the handling is not, you will not feel any different from 1 inch. And the most dislike about this bike is the windscreen, man. I feel every single wind on my helmet. My head is shaking like this. So this is I need to be putting the aftermarket windscreen for this bike. It's must. And the face is, I love it. But the tail, I don't know what Honda was thinking, but it feels very weird. The face is amazing, but the tail they destroyed for this bike. And what else this bike got? So this is like a budget bike, I would say, technically. So it doesn't get Brembo brakes, Brembo, all thing. And even this bike feels very small. Even in the lengthwise, it feels like safe. And if I'm going to do it, it's going to be done. It feels like, and the tires are a little bit smaller than 1000cc. 1000cc comes with normally 1000cc. I'm not talking about RS34. RS34 comes with the 200 rear tire, and Ducati V4 also comes with 360 rear tire. By 60, I'm saying. The height is 60 and the width is 200. But on this tire, on this bike, the width is, I think, 190 and the height is 150. So this bike sits a little bit lower, and the overall it feels amazing. Even on 6K I'm pushing it. See, it wants to go. Main thing is the tire. It needs a bigger tire, for sure. It needs a bigger tire if you want to do the cornering. You cannot do cornering on this tires. Doesn't feel you don't get the confidence. And one more thing I don't like it for the Honda steering damper, which is electronic. It's behind the cover. Okay, this is the plastic cover. This is not the tank. It's very soft. Technically, when you're doing really hard acceleration and your front will come up, it's going to do tank slap. It's 100% it's going to do tank slap. So that's no for me. Come on, don't shift. Okay, it's like this. And the braking, it's okay, nothing too special, but with the good brake pad I think it will okay. and even temperature coolant wise it's 83-80, which is good for this weather because we live in desert, of course, so it's going to get hot. In signal nights, of course, it's going to go 90, 95, 100, maybe 100. But the seating position for this bike, if you want to cruise it for a very long time, this is the perfect. Okay, I will talk to you of the signal, and we were going to test the turning radius for this bike also. Easy peasy. No, it's a bit more me. See, you can see the jerk. The bikes go back and forward. That's what I'm talking about, the quick shifter jerk. But the sitting position is amazing. It's relaxed. It's very relaxed position. Doesn't need to be sit forward at all. So power wise, of course, Hondas are not in much in powers, but it's more in reliability. This bike will not give any issue for very long time compared to the other Japanese bike. Other Japanese bike is going to give you any issues, and I can feel the flat spot. See right here, it stays for 2-3 seconds and then it goes. Let's check in. Third gear. Okay, now it's going. Okay, there's a flat spot in 5,000 to 7,000 RPM. Let's lower our speed. Okay, now it's going. You forgot the first ride about CBR 1000 RR. It feels very light, but seating position is amazing. I will talk about the plus point and minus point then. The seating position is very nice, and the bike feels very light, and the handlebars are very close to you, so you will not get tired for long ride. And the suspensions are comfortable. They are not stiff at all, so you will be very comfortable in long rides. And but that's all for I will say about the good things. The power engine is very smooth. I will say the power comes very smooth. It's not jerky at all, but the quick shift it needs to be worked on, you know. Honda, if you're listening, please fix the fucking quick shifters, man. So if you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Peace out, take care, and ride safe, guys, please.